Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many macOS users encounter. So, here's the problem. You're trying to install the 7-zip tool using Homebrew on your Mac, but when you run brew search 7-zip, you're presented with three different formulae: 7-zip, 7-zip, and P7zip. Confusing, right? Which one is the official one? Let's dive into this dilemma and find a solution. In this case, the solution is quite straightforward. As far as I know, 7-zip only offers a console version for macOS. You don't actually need Homebrew to get the executable. You can simply head over to the official 7-zip website and download the tool from there. The download includes the 7zz command and all the documentation you need. Say goodbye to the Homebrew confusion and get your hands on the 7-zip tool hassle-free. To sum it up, if you're struggling to find the official 7-zip tool formula on Homebrew for macOS, don't fret. You can easily obtain the console version directly from the 7-zip website. No need to navigate through multiple formulae when you can get the tool directly from the source. I hope this solution helps you out with your 7-zip installation. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your favorite compression tool pawn. Thanks for watching, and happy zipping!